Okay, I'm gonna show you my garden. I just got done watering. I planted these strawberries in here today. That's oregano from last year, lemon thyme, chives, and more lemon thyme. And that's the fence I put up. And I wanted extra fence posts, and when I went back, all they had was purple at Tractor Supply. I just roll the fence back. What I do is I bring it around here and I clip it to these two posts. So, okay, let's go in. I planted a strawberry right in there. That's some thyme that has come back up. I put a grape tomato in there. There's nothing in these two. I'm going to bring those out of the garden. There's my empty tray. Here's where I planted peppers and onions. Onions are just on this side of the perimeter. And then there's 4 green, 2 red, and 4 green again. And if you think it's too many peppers in there, you would be wrong, because I get plenty of peppers every year. And let's go here. These are more onions, and I just watered, so my onions are exposed. But really, I watched a guy. He said you don't have to bury your onions. He said just the root part needs to go down and take root. The rest of it's just to feed the new plant. These are Hungarian wax peppers for my husband. He likes them just a little bit tangier. And there is a strawberry in a pot, which it won't last the winter. I planted strawberries in strawberry jars last year that did not last the winter. This is a Roma. I planted 4 Romas, 3 in those pots, and then I got this one at Tractor Supply on Mother's Day for like $5.99. I just put it in there. It's fine. It's big enough. These dry out so quickly. They are nice, but they dry out quickly. And let's see. Over here, I've got onions all the way around. You can see the little white dots. And then I have the rest of them there. I planted like 106, something like that. It was in a pound. Of course, there were some bad ones, and I didn't plant those. I just threw them out. But, yeah, they're planted. These are 4 sweet banana peppers, and that's all I had last year. We ate them, and I froze some. I went ahead and planted 2 of the red here. They're called Red Beauty, but they're sweet peppers. That's what they're called right there. I don't know if you can see the tag. Probably not. And then over here I planted more of the green peppers. What are those called? Bellboy? Bellboy, I think is what they're called. A couple of more strawberry plants right here. And then I decided this area right here is kind of like a no man's land. I haven't been able to figure out what to do with it. Last year I had bags, and they had 2 cherry tomatoes in them, and they were right there. This time I had the pack of 4 grape tomatoes, and because they wouldn't break the pack, so I said I'm going to stick them in the ground, because that ground's real soft, and I had it covered with cardboard, and so it, the cardboard rotted. That's what that is right there. That's the rotted cardboard. And in that little thing of 5 sticks right there, I planted zucchini. I said, what the heck. I left this space right here open there so I can get in there. But that's my garden this year. There's some volunteer lettuce still down there. That was full of volunteer lettuce. I just pulled it up. It looks awful in here, but it looks better than it did. And that bag right there, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I may just set it up against the wall and leave it in here. It's not doing any harm. These I'm going to take out. What I want to do with these pots that had dirt in them from last year where I had tomatoes, the dirt's still good. Like those over there, I just fluffed up the dirt, added some sprinkling fertilizer, and, dug it in, and I just used the dirt again. Dirt's dirt. It just needs the nutrients put back in it. Same thing here. I didn't add anything to it, just fluffed it up. And the fencing seems to be doing the trick. No cats. They're just not interested in climbing the fence to go to the bathroom. This is garlic, if you're wondering. It comes up every year. We never dig it, but it comes up. Looks like we should be digging some of it. It should be elephant garlic. But these I'm just going to, at the end of the year, and I've got some more on the other side of the greenhouse, I'm just going to empty it into this one because this one keeps sinking. Also, the greenhouse has got dead, that grass, that awful grass that invaded everything. And that's why there's all this straw looking stuff. It's that grass that broke up whenever I was pulling it. And there must be millions of seeds. And it comes up through, it will take root on the landscape fabric, which is what that is, with cardboard underneath of it. And then I have the mats from Dollar Tree. That's what I use my Dollar Tree mats for, is to try to keep some of the weeds down. It'll grow right on top of them. Just right on top of them. It's not pretty, but I could make it pretty, and I've made it pretty before, but I didn't make it pretty this year. And this is his name is Bo, and he was that drop-off from last year. Move. No, 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 no. You're not coming in here. No, 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 no. He says, but it's a bathroom. And I had my buckets of water, 3 buckets of water, and I used my dipper this evening. So there you go. That's what it is this year. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.